안녕하세요, 여러분. In this video, we're gonna learn about 은는 and 이가 marker. 은는, even though you see it used as a subject marker, it can be added after the object, or sometimes it can be added after adverb. So, 은는 is very special agent. Even though we see it as a subject marker often, it can be all of these. On the other hand, 이가 is only subject marker. And 이가 has the finger pointing, the pointer finger function, 이가. Okay? So after 받침, you know what 받침 is, the bottom consonant, right? Uh, the combination, when you write Korean, consonant, vowel, the second consonant at the bottom is 받침. Okay? If the word ends with 받침, then you add 은 so that the 받침 sound can float and fill into the empty spot to make sound. And if the word ends with no 받침, you attach 는. That's how the marker comes as pair. And same manner, after the bottom, second consonant at the bottom, you attach E. If not, no 받침 ending word, you attach 가. Okay? And let's look at this. Let's practice. 집 is house. Which marker would you add between 은는? There's 받침 right here. So 은. And then let the 받침 sound moves up. You read it as 집은, like this, the sound 집은. Okay, let's move quickly. 서점, it ends with 받침. So which one? 은. And then let's move the 받침 sound up there. 서점 is bookstore. Now 공원, it ends with a 받침. 공원은, again, let the 받침 sound move up. 공원은, let's look at this one. coffee, which is coffee. There's no second consonant at the bottom. No bottom consonant, no 받침. 커피는 우유. The beginner thinks this as 받침, but this is not consonant. This is vowel. Yeah. So there's no 받침. Yeah. 우유 is milk. 엄마. Out of two syllable, we are looking at the last syllable. There's no 받침. Yeah. There's no 받침. So 엄마는 mom, mother. 엄마는. Let's look at this one. Check is book. Check has 받침, the bottom consonant. So check 이. Again, let the 받침 sound move up. 책이 completely detach the 받침 sound. check is book. Yeah. When you say 책이, you are kind of like imagine invisible finger, like index finger pointing at the book when you use this 이가 marker. Okay. 문 is door. Again, it has 받침. 이 받침 sound moves up. 식당, you look at only the last syllable. Even though it looks like empty circle, it is not empty. It's not silent. It has the sound, sound. So this is valid 받침. Okay? 식당이. The sound kind of moves up and soften. You have to make it soften. Otherwise, the 그 sound is too loud. We don't like that. 식당이, soften and push up. 커피, there's no 받침 at the end. 커피가 this time. 커피가. 구두. Again, it looks like there's something at the bottom, but this is not consonant. This is vowel. So there's no 받침. Yeah. 구두가. By the way, 구두 is dress shoes. 사과. Again, this is consonant. In this occasion, the vowel, there are two vowels combined, compound vowel. There's no 받침, yeah, because these are vowel, not consonant. So 사과 is apple. That's how you add 은는 marker and 이가 marker after many different words. Let's look at when to add what marker. Okay. The first thing you have to know, 은는 is used for universal fact, scientific truth. For example, the earth is round, the moon goes around the earth, those kind of thing. I didn't put that example sentences because it could sound very difficult for the beginners. So those like scientific, even like fact. And then uh, the first thing that you get to learn 은는 is when you talk about yourself, when you introduce yourself or somebody else. So 저 is humble I, 저, humble I. 저는 Jenny예요. I am Jenny. That's usually for the first time you learn 은는 marker. 저는, 저는 I am Jenny. That's the fact, right? 저는 미국 사람이에요. I'm American. Yeah. 저는 미국 사람이에요. That's scientific fact, universal fact, truth. Yeah, statement. 저는 의사예요. I'm a doctor. That's a fact too. Yeah. And then from there, let's look at this example. 김치는 Korean pickled cabbage, spicy dish. 김치는 매워요, spicy. Now, it could not be a scientific fact because people can feel like this kind of thing different manner. But the fact that the speaker used 은는 marker, the speaker thinks the whole sentence as a piece of fact. The speaker thinks this is the fact. 김치는 매워요. Yeah. 김치는 매워. General fact. Yeah. General fact. So 겨울은 추워요. 겨울 is winter. Yeah. 겨울은 추워요. Cold. That's the general fact. Yeah. The speaker thinks it's the general fact. By looking at 은는, we can tell. 미나는 예뻐요. Now, again, this kind of thing, you don't see these things not as scientific fact, but the key point here, the fact that the speaker use 은는 marker, the speaker thinks that these sentences as general fact. Yeah, 미나는 예뻐요. Mina is pretty. Yeah, this speaker thinks that this is the fact. 아기는 잠을 많이 자요. 아기, baby. 잠 is sleep, noun, sleep. 많이, a lot, 자요. This is the verb sleep. This is the noun sleep. So we often use sleep asleep in Korean. 아기는 잠을 많이 자요 means babies sleep a lot. The speaker of this sentence is telling us, the listener, this whole sentence as a piece of fact. The speaker thinks this is the fact. All babies, yeah, general fact. Let's look at 은는 number 2. So 은는, from that scientific fact, general fact, the meaning expanded to case presenter. What I mean by it, let's look at here. 저는 사과를, apple, 좋아해요. I like apples. 저는 사과를 좋아해요. Let's look at the second sentence. 미나는 커피를 좋아해요. Mina likes coffee. By looking at these, oh, like I like apples, Mina likes coffee. Are already two different cases are like presented. You see, 제니는 토마토를 안 좋아해요. 안, not. Jenny does not like tomato. Yeah, I like this. The other person like that. The other person like something else. So from general fact, the usage of 은는, the meaning expanded to case presenting. Yeah, case. My case, Mina's case, Jenny's case, that way. And from there, there's one more sentence here. 피터는 아보카도를 좋아해요. Peter likes avocado. Yeah, these are all case presenting. The 은는, the meaning expanded to case presenting from general fact. Now from there, the meaning expanded to the topic. Many people uh, see 은는 as topic marker from many textbook. So it is true. So it all started from the general fact, the case presenting function, and then when the case presenting, for example, 저는, 미나는, 제니는, 피터는, well, here we see kind of a short sentences, but let's say 피터는 blah 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 blah. Yeah, when the sentence gets longer, then we see this 은는 as like topic. Hey people, I'm gonna talk about Peter in this following sentence. You can see 은는 as that function. So I'm not gonna uh, I'm not gonna put 은는 as topic marker in this video. So just to know that 은는 started from general fact, yeah, the meaning expanded to case presenting function, yeah, and then it became the topic, yeah. So you will see this a lot. We'll talk about this later, yeah. 은는 number 3. As you all know, 은는 is used. The general fact, yeah. From there, case presenting, yeah. It has to do with case here. When there's case A and when there's case B, 엄마는 커피를 좋아해요. Mom likes coffee. Case B, 아빠는 커피를 안 좋아해요. Dad doesn't like coffee. When there are two cases are presented and this information is contrasting information, that's where this function started from. So you can simply read it without voice emphasis. Casually, 엄마는 커피를 좋아해요. 아빠는 커피를 안 좋아해요. Yeah. Then a little less contrasting, but sometimes you want to exaggerate, like clear contrasting, highlighting the contrasting. 엄마는 커피를 좋아해요. 아빠는 커피를 안 좋아해요. Now, from that voice emphasis occasion, the it expands to the function expanded to case isolating. Uh, Let me explain. 다들, 다 is all, yeah. 들 is plural marker. Many, it means many. So everybody 고기를 meat 잘 먹어요. Eat well. Everybody eats meat well. Uh, the answer. 제니는 채식주의자, vegetarian라서. 라서는 noun이라서 after 받침. noun라서 after no 받침. Yeah. Because it is, because she is, because he is, because I am. 제니는 채식주의자라서. Yeah. There's no 받침. 소라서. Because Jenny is vegetarian. 고기를 못 먹어요. Jenny cannot eat meat. So, by the fact, 제니는 채식주의자라서 고기를 못 먹어요. Again, this sentence is simply like, you can see it as like you're presenting only Jenny's case. Yeah. But when you use voice emphasis, 제니는, when you use voice emphasis and give a little pause, it highlights the contrasting function, like I mentioned over here. Yeah. So when that happens, it kind of adds the feeling of I am not sure about others, but for Jenny's case, I can tell. Yeah. Or this can be one. Or like it depends on the like surrounding context. This 는 with voice emphasis and a little pause can imply contrasting contrasting. Yeah. So when you be careful, when you want to compliment on somebody's hairstyle or new car or new outfit, do not use 은는 because 은는 can have this like implying something else is not when you compliment on some part. For example, like somebody's hairdo, yeah, new hairdo, permed hair. Oh, you want to say, oh, your permed hairstyle is cool. Do not use 은는. Why? 은는 has this like contrasting effect. Depends on the voice tone, of course. When you say like your hair is great with 은는, you can mean something else is not pretty and you don't want that. Yeah. So in such occasion, you use 이가. You point the person's hair. And then in colloquial manner, we don't even mention 이가. You can omit 이가. Yeah. 머리 예뻐요. Oh, your hair is pretty. And if you choose not to omit the marker, of course you will use 머리가 예뻐요. You use 이가 marker when you want a compliment. Okay? Next. For your convenience, I assigned three layers to 은는. The universal fact, contrasting, and isolation. So you use 은는 when introducing yourself or somebody else. Like this. 저는 blah blah blah. I am so and so. 이 사람은 this person. This person은 이분은 분 is person honorific. Yeah. So it is translated as this gentleman, this lady. 이분은 이쪽은 like 이쪽 when you don't 이쪽은 this is you point at the person. 이쪽은 maybe same age, not not too like honorific. 이분 is clear honorific. Yeah. 이쪽은 maybe friends or younger sibling, younger person. 여기는 similar. Yeah. 여기는 여기 is here. 이쪽 is this way. Yeah, you kind of pointing it at the person. 이쪽은 여기는 this is in English. This is translated as this is my friend so and so. This is like Mr. So and so. This is okay. Let's look at the example sentence here. A. 저는 한국 사람이에요. I'm Korean. How about your friend? 친구는요? How about your friend? 친구는요? 여기 이게 case는 it has to do with case presenting. How about your friend's case? Yeah. How about the case of your friend? Case presenting. 친구는요? How about your friend? Here, the yo is there at the end of question or statement to sound polite to the listener. You have to understand that. To sound polite to the listener. Okay? 친구분. Now, by adding 분, yeah, 분, honorific. 친구분은 요. Here, 은 is used. How about your friend? Honorifically. Honorifically. 친구분은요. Yeah. A is answering. 제 친구는 일본 사람이에요. My friend is Japanese. 제 친구는. So, 은는, this 은는, yeah, this 은는 right here. This 은는, it has to do with the case presenting. Case presenting. So, out of these three category, yeah, three layers, I would uh, I would say it belongs here. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at more sentences. Again, 은는 for convenience wise here universal fact, contrasting, isolation. Yeah. When you encounter 은는, try to like categorize. Yeah. Under this category, there's like case presenting, yeah, and topic marker. They are all like under this umbrella for convenience purpose. Let's look at this one. 저는 커피를 좋아해요. I like coffee. 제 친구는 커피를 안 좋아해요. My friend does not like coffee. Yeah. 저는 사과는 좋아해요. 사과 is object, right? 사과 is object. The object marker를 is gone and 는 is added. 는. 사과는 좋아해요. So the moment that you see 는 replacing object marker 을을 I can instantly tell this is contrasting. Yeah. 저는 사과는 좋아해요. 그런데 but then 바나나는 안 좋아해요. Again, 바나나를 the object marker is replaced by 는. Yeah. This is kind of quick cue. 바나나는 좋아해요. If we did not have this information, uh, this later part, then this automatically becomes case isolation. Yeah, when there's no like contrasting, no information to contrast, then it becomes automatically isolation. Okay, uh, Some people will question, how about the first one? 저는 커피를 좋아해요. 제 친구는 커피를 안 좋아해요. This one, yeah. Uh, this one, yeah. Case of I, yeah, and case of my friend, yeah. My friend, my friend. So if you don't use voice emphasis, just casually reading like, 저는 커피를 좋아해요. 제 친구는 커피를 안 좋아해요. It can be just like case presenting occasion, which falls like, under one category. But if your intention is to contrast from the beginning here, 저는 커피를 좋아해요. 제 친구는 커피를 안 좋아해요. You see, there's a little bit of voice emphasis is used and a little bit pause. Yeah. Then it clearly falls into this category, contrasting category. Yeah. Okay. So 웃는 marker. Yeah. Not only the like the meaning, the function. We have to look at and feel the voice tone along with the surrounding information, the context. That's why it's hard to learn through textbook. Let's continue. 저는 아침에는 아침에 is in the morning, yeah? The time expression. Now, after time expression, we added 는, yeah? So adverb 는, oh, I can like instantly tell, oh, it must be contrasting function. Yeah, contrasting. 아침에는 커피를 마셔요. I drink coffee in the morning. Already contrasting. Yeah. If there's nothing follows, then I would see this 는 as case isolation. Yeah. Maybe not some other times, but only in the morning, something like that. But there's contrasting information follows. Look at this. 그런데, but then 저녁에는, yeah, in the evening, 는 again contrasting, yeah, contrasting. 아침에는 저녁에는 contrasting 커피를 안 마셔요. I do not drink coffee in the evening. Yeah. Okay, 좋아요. So contrasting. 다음, next. 저는 어제 means yesterday. Yeah. 어제는 yesterday는 again 어제 is time expression adverb이잖아요. Adverb는 oh, it must be contrasting. 어제는 바빴어요. Was busy. 그런데 but then 오늘은 today은 yeah, 안 바빠요. I'm not busy today. So 어제는 contrasting, 오늘은 contrasting. Yeah, it's easy because there's contrasting information that follows this later part. Yeah, this let's color mark here. So this part, the following, the second part is like contrasting information, so it serves as contrasting. Let's look at one more sentence here. It's different color. 어제, yesterday는 바빴어요. 그런데 but then 오늘은 안 바빠요. Yeah. Okay. What's the difference? So um, this this sentence and this sentence are very similar. Yeah. 저는 어제는 바빴어요. Yeah. 저는 어제는 바빴어요. So this is probably subject. Yeah. The subject. 어제는 this is object. Yeah. Object. 바빴어요. 어제는 바빴어요. How about this? Will you see this adverb? will you see this as a subject? Uh, People can argue. Uh-huh. So if you see 저는 like not expressed here, clearly this is adverb. Yeah, but it, you can see it as 어제 as a subject. 어제는 바빴어요. It is a possible scenario. That's why it's difficult. 어제는 바빴어요. 그런데 오늘은 안 바빠요. Let's look at 은는 more example sentences. Again, 은는 I suggest uh, you see it as three different category. Universal fact, yeah, contrasting effect, case isolation effect. 오늘은 바빠요. 내일은 안 바빠요. Today, busy. Tomorrow, not busy. Today and tomorrow is time expression. Yeah. So time expression adverb. Yeah, usually. 은, 내일은 case contrasting. Yeah. You see? 오늘은 시간이 없어요. 시간 is time. 시간이 없어요. 내일은 tomorrow. 시간이 있어요. There is time. Sentence structure wise, 오늘은 people tend to see this as subject. Yeah. Uh, this is another subject. Yeah. Because 이가 marker is a subject marker. We talked about it. Yeah. 시간이, this is subject. Technically. Subject. 오늘은 시간이 있어요. So these kind of sentence structure, English speaker, they are introduced. See this one when there's 이가 marker, which is subject marker, is there, and when there's 은는 before the subject marker, yeah, see it as topic. That's what they instruct, because it's easier for English speaker to understand this sentence structure in this manner. Native Koreans see the sentence structure different way, but we don't have to go over that part. Yeah. Okay. So here another sentence. 어제는 yesterday 한국어를 공부 안 했어요. 하다 is the main verb. Yeah. So 안 is located right before the main verb. 안 했어요. 한국어를 공부 안 했어요. 오늘은 한국어를 공부했어요. 어제는, 오늘은. Yeah, contrasting. By looking at the verb 공부하다, yeah, the subject cannot be 어제 or 오늘. Yeah, apparently 저는 is the subject, not expressed. Yeah. So this is very clear. 어제 time expression, contrasting marker. 오늘 time expression, contrasting marker. Yeah, contrasting. 그 좋아요. 그 다음 next. 은는, we are talking about 은는. Universal fact, general fact. Yeah, case presenting, contrasting, isolation. Isolation. 내일, tomorrow, 시간 있어요. By the way, 내일, you don't need to add a time marker. Yeah. 오늘, today, 어제, yesterday, 내일, you do not add a. 내일 시간 있어요? Is there time tomorrow? This is question. We are asking about you, your case. So, do you have time tomorrow? That's what it means. 미안해요. I'm sorry. 내일은 시간이 없어요. Now, let's look at this one. You added 은. 내일은 시간이 없어요. It implies, yeah, 내일 case isolation. Yeah? Case isolation. So 내일은 시간이 없어요. It implies some other times I have time. Yeah. 내일. So let's say the person A. Yeah. Person A is somebody that you kind of have good feeling. You like him or you like her, and this person's asking, like about to ask you for a date or something. 내일 시간 있어요? 미안해요. 내일은 시간이 없어요. I have time today. I have time maybe the following day or next week. That's what this implies. Yeah? Not tomorrow. In English, you use voice tone because you don't have marker. Not tomorrow, but the day after or today. Yeah? That not tomorrow, that voice tone, we are using case isolation. Yeah. Let's look at this similar situation. 내일 시간 있어요? Do you have time tomorrow? 미안해요. 내일 시간 없어요. This one does not uh, isolating like tomorrow. Not tomorrow. You just simply, I don't have time tomorrow. Yeah. This one, the first occasion, this one by using not tomorrow but some other time. For example, today I have time, or I already mentioned. Yeah. So that this has like a very strong function there. 내일은 시간이 없어요. How about the following day? How about next Monday? Okay. 봅시다. Next. Continuing, 은는 universal fact, contrasting, isolation. Let's look at this one. 빵은 맛있어요. It's very hard to tell how this 은는 is used because it has different layers of meaning. Yeah, it depends on the context. But example sentence, by looking at one single sentence, we just should assume universal fact. 빵은 맛있어요. Meaning the speaker, whoever is saying this sentence, the person believe the whole sentence as the general fact, universal general fact. The person believes this is the fact. Yeah, the whole sentence is a piece of information, the general fact. Yeah, 빵은 맛있어요. So all breads are delicious. All breads are delicious. Breads are delicious. All breads are delicious. Yeah, universal fact. Okay. Uh, among several kinds of food, A is asking 음식이 다 맛있어요? Notice 음식이. 이가 is pointer. Yeah. You look at you pointing at the food. Yeah. Food, many food. 음식이 다 맛있어요? Like all the foods are delicious. Let's look at this answer. 빵은 맛있어요. 그런데 but then 사과는 맛없어요. So breads are delicious, but then the apples are not tasty. Apparently, this is contrasting two cases. Yeah, this contrasting information is right next to each other. So this one, 빵은 맛있어요. 그런데 사과는 맛없어요. 어, Most likely voice emphasis and a little pause to emphasize. Yeah, with or without voice emphasis, it works. But let's look at another answer. 빵은, this one clearly you use voice emphasis. 빵은 and a little pause. 빵은 빵은 맛있어요. And then you don't mention the other case. Then it becomes a case isolation. isolation. 빵은 맛있어요. 빵은 맛있어요. This one, the case, maybe you tasted all the food and you only liked breads. And you didn't like apple, you didn't like all the other case, but you do not want to say that you do not like the others. Yeah. Uh, mm, Not to mention the negative information, you can use a case isolation function. Or the case B, you haven't tried other foods yet. You only tried breads, and then you want to express the bread that you tasted is good. 빵은 맛있어요. I haven't tasted other food, so I don't know about others, but bread for sure is delicious. Yeah, case isolation. So you own the scenario. You can have only information about only this case and not the other. Yeah, you may not know the other cases information, but this is the Korean implying you do have other negative information and but you do not want to mention. That's when Korean people use this case isolation function with 은는. Yeah. Okay, 좋아요. 그다음 next. 은는 again universal fact, general fact. Contrasting case isolation. Let's look at here. 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? Now, by using 이가, this 이름, we're pointing at this. Yeah. So I feel like by using 이가, 이름 is highlighted, or like we put more weight to it. Yeah. 이름 underline. 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? Now, when you introduce yourself, the universal fact, yeah, you use 은는. 제 이름은 미나예요. Now, 이름이 뭐예요? 제 이름은 미나예요. The whole sentence is presented as a general fact, piece of information of general fact. 제 이름은 미나예요. Yeah, the whole sentence as a piece of information. Now, 이 운동화, this exercise shoes, 가격이 얼마예요? Now, 가격 is price. Again, you see 이가 marker. Yeah. Then, what 이가 does there, it highlights the word next to it. 가격이 얼마예요? What's the price on these exercise shoes? Now, to give the general fact, piece of information, yeah, 이거는 $100, 100불, 100, you can say 100 불. 불 is like looking like this. Chinese character looking very similar looking as dollar sign. So like we can say 100달러 or 100달러, yeah. As Korean, like we like to add yeah, the vowel assimilation, 달러, both are okay. But often they will still use 불, yeah, because this Chinese character 불 is resembling dollar sign. It's kind of interesting. 100불이에요. 이거는 100불이에요. This is $100. Now, the whole sentence, 이거는 100불이에요. Yeah, this is fact. Yeah, general fact, fact. The whole sentence as a fact. 이거는 100불이에요. Yeah. 이거는 100불이고, 고는 like 그리고의 고인데, the function is like plus sign이에요. Often translated and, but sometimes it is translated as but. Yeah. The function 고 is like plus sign connecting. 이거는 100불이고 this is $100 and 그 옆에 거는 어, it's 그 the or it 옆 is side next 의 is apostrophe s the next thing yeah the thing that's next of that 거는 120 120불이에요. $120. In this occasion 이거는 100불이고 그 옆에 거는 120이에요. This can be seen as case presenting, yeah, case A, case B, yeah. This can be also viewed as contrasting, yeah. Depends on the speaker's attitude, yeah. 이거는 100불이고 그 옆에 거는 the next thing, yeah, thing next to it, $120. Yeah, 이게 좋아요. Contrasting. 그 다음 은는 the universal fact, general fact, contrasting, isolation. Let's say shopping list. This is what you are supposed to buy today. Yeah, uh, you ask uh, your husband or your sister to buy this. Uh, milk 뭐예요? 한국어로 뭐예요? milk 우유. apple 한국어로 뭐예요? 사과. Yeah. bread 한국어로 뭐예요? 빵. eggs 한국어로 뭐예요? We have two words 계란, yeah, or 달걀, 달걀. I find it interesting, like this gal sounds like funny to make, but often foreigners they find that 계란 is easier to say. Yeah, lettuce. lettuce는 상추, lettuce. Let's say at the end of the day, you ask your spouse or your sister, "Oh, 다 샀어요? Did you buy them all? What you were supposed to buy? 다 샀어요? 다 샀어요? The things that you were supposed to buy." Let's say you bought everything, yeah, everything, check. But they were out of milk, so you didn't buy this one, yeah. 그럼 우유는 you use voice emphasis and give a little pause. 우유는 못 샀어요. I couldn't buy milk. Yeah. 못 샀어요. I couldn't buy milk. In such occasion, that's case isolation. Yeah. Or it can mean contrasting, depends on how you deliver. 우유는 못 샀어요. However, 사과, 빵, 계란, 상추는 샀어요. If you say like that, you just used 는 as case contrasting. Yeah. If you just mention 우유는 못 샀어요 and did not mention about other cases, then it becomes like case isolation. Yeah. That's why 는 is like you have to look at the context and what's being said and what's happening. You have to look at it. Another occasion here, another episode of shopping list, things to buy, shopping list. So you can go over one by one. 물은 샀어요? How about uh, 은, 은는 case presenting. Yeah. 물은 샀어요? 네, 물은 샀어요. 바나나는 샀어요? How about 바나나는요? 바나나는 못 샀어요. 못 샀어요. 요거트는 샀어요? 네, 요거트는 샀어요. 쿠키는요? How about cookie? Yeah. 쿠키는 못 샀어요. 당근은요? 당근 is carrot. 당근은요? 당근은 샀어요. Yeah. So, uh, when you ask noun 은요, How about this noun? In this usage, 은는요, then this falls under case presenting. Yeah, case presenting. And then if you say like, 물은 샀어요. 바나나는 못 샀어요. 그러면 this is contrasting information이잖아요. 그러면 contrasting. Yeah. Out of many items, yeah, you didn't buy, there was nothing available, but you were able to buy only one item, and you mentioned, ah, this thing은 샀어요. Then this is case isolation, yeah, in the same situation. Okay, 봅시다. Again, 은는 universal fact, general fact, case presenting function, all that, yeah. Contrasting, case isolation. They are related somehow. Uh, when you order pizza, yeah, you can discuss what topping to add between your family member. You can talk about, oh, I like this topping, I don't like that topping. So try to like exercise. Uh, 저 무슨 토핑 좋아해요? 피자 토핑. 무슨 토핑 좋아해요? What kind of topping do you like? 저는 블라블라 은는 좋아해요. Yeah, 좋아해요. However, 그런데 블라블라 은는 안 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요. 이렇게 쓰시면 여기 은는 하고 요 은는 하고 이건 좋아해요. 이건 안 좋아해요. Contrasting이죠. Contrasting. Let's say another scenario. You're ordering pizza. Yeah. Put everything, everything except let's say tomato. 토마토. 그러면 토마토는 don't put. 어, 넣지 마세요. don't 넣지 마세요. Don't put. Or 빼주세요. Like take it out. Leave it out. 빼주세요. Don't add. 토마토는 넣지 마세요. Don't add tomato. 토마토는 빼주세요. Take out tomato. This 은는, yeah. This is like usage of isolation. Yeah. Except that one. Yeah. 좋아요. So practice a lot. 은는 universal fact, general fact, or case presenting, yeah, and then contrasting, isolation. Let's look at the example sentences. 안 is in, 에서 is place marker. So 안에서, inside, 는, 안에서, place indicating adverb이죠. So usually after adverb 는, yeah, uh, usually I could guess contrasting or isolation already. Yeah. 안에서는 음식을 food 먹을 수 없어요. Cannot eat. 먹 is the verb stem. Holds the meaning of eat. Yeah. 안에서는 음식을 먹을 수 없어요. You cannot eat food inside. Not inside. 그런 소리야. Not inside. Yeah. It implies like you can eat outside, but you cannot eat it inside. But there's no contrasting information. The 밖 outside, there's no such comment here. So I would say this 안에서는 falls under isolation, not inside, case isolation. Now, 교실 is classroom, the space. 에서 place marker. 교실에서는 similar case죠. 조용히, quietly 해야 돼요. 해야 돼요. 하다 means to do. So quietly do quiet. So 해야 돼 is should. Yeah. you have to do quietly. Whatever you do. It is translated as be quiet. You have to be quiet. 교실에서는 조용히 해야 돼요. Maybe not, outside on the playground. It's not mentioned here. So I would put it under isolation, not in the classroom. Yeah. Uh, in the classroom, you have to be quiet, unlike the other places. Next, 다음. 한국, Korea, 사람, person, 들, plural marker, so Korean people, 은, 집, house, on, inside, 에서, place marker, 는, so 집안, inside a house, yeah, 에서, adverb이죠, place, yeah, so this must be like contrasting or isolating. Yeah, let's continue. 신발 is shoes in general. 신발을 신지 않아요. You have to read it with a tense sound. It has to do with to show uh, this part is the verb. That's what it does. The tense to sound. 있죠? Tense to sound. Because like we have a 신지. This must be a noun. Then you read it as it's written, 신지, with a softer sound. But when this is a verb stem, yeah, verb stem, to indicate this is the verb, we tensify the G sound. This is more like advanced stuff. 신지 않아요. Now, 지안 is longer negation. Yeah, does not. Korean people do not put on shoes inside the houses. Not inside. 그런 소리야. Not inside. Isolation. It indicates, it implies they, of course, they put on shoes outside the house. Yeah, contrasting, hidden contrasting isolation. 한국 사람들은 Korean people 매운 음식 is spicy food. 매운 음식을 좋아하다 to like 좋아하는 는 is a noun modifier. 좋아하는 편이에요. 편 is a side. Yeah. So incline to one side. They tend to like spicy food. Who? 한국 사람들은 매운 음식을 좋아하는 편이에요. This is case presenting. Yeah. Uh, as far as the function, it's a subject marker죠. Yeah. Subject marker. So, like the irony and interesting thing, even though 이가 is like dedicated subject marker, 은는 is used more often as a subject marker than 이가. Yeah, it's because 이가 is like a subject highlighting, subject like emphasizing function이 있었어요. 그래요. Emphasizing function. We'll talk about it later. So, 하지만, but. Uh, colloquially, we like to say 그런데 more often than but. 하지만 is a slightly like written style or more formal feel. Yeah. So use 그런데 during conversation colloquially as but. Yeah. 하지만 우리 가족은 매운 음식을 즐기다 is to enjoy. Yeah. 지안 is longer negation, just like here. 즐기지 않아요. We do not enjoy, we do not uh, enjoy spicy food. We don't like to eat spicy food enjoyingly. Okay, 좋아요. So here, uh, 이은, yeah. Again, case presenting subject, yeah, subject. 은는, still talking about 은는, universal fact, general fact, case presenting. That's the a function of 은는. Okay, it everything else started from this function. Yeah, and it's convenient to uh, categorize as this way. I find universal fact, contrasting, isolating. Let's look at the example sentence. 한국에, this is apostrophe S. Yeah. When you read, you're allowed to read it as a colloquially. More formal situation, of course, you can read it as it's written 의, but this is the most likely. 한국의 겨울은 the Korea's winter. Korea's winter. Yeah. 겨울은 추워요. 한국의 겨울은 추워요. General fact죠. Yeah, the speaker thinks 한국의 겨울은 추워요. The whole sentence is one piece of general fact information. Yeah, okay. 겨울 날씨는 추워요. Winter weather. 겨울 날씨는 추워요. The winter weather is cold. Again, the whole sentence, uh, the speaker is presenting the whole sentence as a general fact. Yeah. Whether it's a fact or not, the speaker thinks it's a fact, according to the speaker. That's what it means. 그 다음에, next. 날씨는 추워요. Let's look at this one. 날씨는 추워요. The weather, think of the nature of weather, okay? Weather, cold. Huh? The nature of weather is cold, hot, humid, dry. There are many natures, weather exist. So in this occasion, 날씨는 추워요. By looking at this, 날씨 cannot be defined as one nature. Oh, maybe this 는 uh, we could guess it might be contrasting or isolation. 날씨는 추워요. So, from many mm, common usage, I could instantly tell this is contrasting. 날씨는 추워요. The weather is cold, maybe negative, yeah, aspect, but something else is good. 날씨는 추워요. So I'm not happy with 날씨, but everything else is good. So other than that, 그거 말고는 other than that 다 좋아요. Everything is good. Something like that. 그러면 여기도 는 보이시죠? You can see 는. So 날씨는 그거 말고는 this is contrasting usage예요. Contrasting. It falls here. Contrasting. 그거 말고는 다 좋아요. Or you can see it as isolation. So basically they're all related. If you understand what 은는 does, yeah, the case presenting. It all starts from here. Yeah, they're all related. Let's look at the last sentence. 날씨가 추워요. Oh, how about this? You can say it this way. 날씨가 추워요. Then what this 가 does, you highlight 날씨. 날씨가 추워요. The weather is cold. 날씨가 추워요. 그거 말고는 다 좋아요. 그거 말고는 는 다 좋아요. 그러면 this can be contrasting or isolating 말고는 날씨가 좋아요. So if you look at these two sentences, they are uh, In this occasion, you can use 날씨는 추워요. 날씨가 추워요. It just like, shows the speaker's intention behind using each marker. For 은는 here, 는, the speaker used 은는 as contrasting, yeah, contrasting function. Here, the speaker 날씨가 추워요. The speaker is highlighting 날씨. Oh, the weather. The weather is very cold. But then, other than that, everything is good. So you're more like pointing 날씨 here, the weather, bringing the listener's attention to 날씨. Though that's what 이가 does. 날씨가 추워요. So let me tell you one thing. Again, 날씨는 추워요. 날씨는 추워요에서 추워요 gets a little more weight in this sentence. 날씨가 추워요. 날씨가 추워요. Of course, it depends on how you deliver with your voice tone, but 이가 marker already, like, as a default, 날씨 gets attention. 날씨가 추워요. Okay? 이가 marker is more straightforward comparing to 는. 이가 has one function, subject indicator, subject highlighter. Yeah. Use 이가 marker to volunteer because of that reason. 제가 갈 수 있어요. 제가 means you are pointing at yourself. I can go. 제가 갈 수 있어요. 제가 할 수 있어요. I can do it. You're pointing at yourself. 제가 갈게요. Let me go. 제가 할게요. Let me do it. Yeah. 제가 pointing. Use 이가 marker to answer who question and what question. 누가 집에 갔어요? Who went home? 누가? Yeah. 누가 who as a subject. Yeah. Who as a subject. 누가. It has to do with it. This 이가 marker already. Yeah. 누가 who 집에 갔어요. Who went home? Jenny went home. 제니가 집에 갔어요. Now, 누가 집에 있어요? Who's at home? 피터가 있어요. Peter is at home. Yeah. 뭐가 미나 씨 책이에요? What is Mina's book? What is Mina's book? 이거, this thing, this thing is Mina's book. Now I have one more to say. 이거, yeah. 이 means this. Cut is thing, the original form. Over a long period of time, I assume cut changes to call. Yeah, 이거, this thing. After 받침, we are to add 이. After no 받침, we are to add 가. But these two forms uh, existed, yeah, through the transitional period. So the 이가 marker is attached after these two. So to make a long story short, 이거가. So compressed, yeah. 이게예요. 이게. Yeah. So 이거가 이게 same thing. Yeah. Colloquially, you will hear 이게 a lot. 이게. Yeah. 이게 이거가 이게 same thing이에요. Same thing. So recap. 이가 marker highlights 누가 who. Yeah. 피터가 Peter. 뭐가 what. 뭐가 이거가 this, yeah, this 이게. Okay, continuing. 이가 marker, 이가 subject indicator, subject highlighter function. Use 이가 to correct misinformation. Yeah, this is important. Usually used with a voice emphasis. Let's look at the example. A speaks. 이 책, this book. 미나 씨가 now 미나 gets highlight. 미나 줬어요. So did 미나 go highlight? 잠시만요. Yeah. Did Mina give this book? When you want to answer. 아니요. No. No. polite요. 피터 씨가 줬어요. Now this one Peter gave. 피터 씨가 줬어요. Yeah. Because of 가 marker, this information is like, gets more weight highlighted. Let's look at the following here. 저기 over there. 저분, that person honorific. 저분이, notice this marker. 저분이, 그러면 저분 gets highlighted. 피터 씨지요, right? Oh, that person over there is Mr. Peter, right? A is asking. B is answering. 저분, 저분은, that person over there, 저분은 피터 씨가 아니고, 고 is plus sign, plus, 저스틴 씨예요. 이분이, now, 이 marker, 이분이 피터 씨예요. So let's look at this one. 저분이 그러면 저분 gets highlighted. The person over there, right there, over there, the person over there, yeah? Because of it has highlighted. 피터 씨지요? 저분은 피터 씨가 아니고, 저스틴 씨예요. 이분이, this is the information correct function. 이분이 피터 씨예요. So, 이분이 피터 씨예요. 좋아요. 그 다음에, when A is not B, A는 E가 아니에요. 아니에요. 이건 just memorize as a part of grammar. A는 B가 아니에요. You use E가 marker is here. When A is not B, yeah, you use E가 marker right here. So more example sentences. 이가 is a subject indicator highlighter. Yeah, subject only. 이가. Use 이가 marker for the subject in a conditional clause. This is like you get to see this as advanced, intermediate to advanced level. So, but if you understand this part, it will be very helpful, convenient. Because mom wasn't at home. This is not even a sentence, right? This is like, the conditional phrase, conditional clause. 엄마가 집에 없어서. Yeah. 어서 와서가 because예요. because. 어서 와서. Because dad came home early. 아빠가 집에 일찍 와서. 어서 와서. Yeah. Notice this 가. Yeah. Because my head hurt. 머리가 아파서. We usually omit I or my. Yeah. 머리가 아파서. In a statement, we are talking about I. Yeah. If the pronoun is not mentioned. In a question, the you, your, those words are omitted. We just assume that way. 머리가 아파서 어서 와서 because my head hurt. Because the baby smiled. Here, notice it's past tense, but with also also grammar, we do not specify past tense. Yeah, 아기가 웃어서 because the baby smiled or laughed. Yeah, because because the movie was said. 영화가 슬퍼서 어서 와서. Yeah. So again, all this conditional clause, the subject is it, displayed with 이가 marker. Uh, when, this is a conditional clause too. When mom came home, 엄마가 집에 왔을 때, 을 때 is time when something happened or something is going on. Yeah, somebody did something. This one we can reflect the tense. 왔을 때, 없을 때. Yeah? 엄마가 집에 왔을 때, when mom came home. When we met Peter. 우리가 피터를 만났을 때. Yeah? 왔을 때. So, in a subject, to show the subject in a conditional clause, you use 이가 marker. That's the default. But you will see in a conditional clause with 은는 marker later. Yeah. When maybe the speaker wants to highlight the contrasting effect. Maybe the speaker wants to highlight the isolation function. Yeah. So one depends on the speaker's intention. One function can override the other function. But unless that specific, like, speaker's intention, uh, without this specific intention, 이가 is the default of conditional clause. Let's look at this one. 은는, you already know that the case presenting, that's the main function. Yeah, for the general fact, contrasting and isolation. 한국의 겨울은 추워요. 한국의 겨울은 추워요. The whole sentence as a general fact presented. The speaker thinks. 엄마의 머리는 길어요. Mom's hair is long. This is like a written style. Colloquially, this 의 is most likely omitted. 엄마 머리, 한국 겨울. Yeah, this 의 is a formal written style. 엄마 머리는 길어요. Mom's hair is long. The whole sentence presented as a piece of general fact. 미나의 미나의 목소리는 좋아요. Mina's voice is good. The whole sentence as a piece of information presented. There's nothing lingering before or after. Uh, so, as an example sentence in a textbook, you will see a lot, most likely 은는. Then, uh, let's see. There's this sentence that has 은는 and 이가 all together. 한국은 겨울이 추워요. Yeah? 한국은 this 이것도 case예요. Case of Korea. Case presenting. 겨울이 now 이, as you know, subject highlighter잖아요. Yeah? This is subject. 겨울이 추워요 is cold. Cold. So case presenting, case presenting 한국은, yeah, 겨울이 추워요. So depends on people, like they can say different, they can explain this sentence structure in different manner. Yeah. So most textbook present this 은는 as a topic. Yeah. So it's same thing when I say case presenting. Yeah, this is topic marker. To speak of Korea, yeah, as for Korea, I'm gonna talk about Korea in this sentence, the remaining portion. So 은는, whatever you call it, case marker or topic marker, whatever, 은는 is kind of opens the sentence uh, opening function. Uh, And this one usually unless it's like very highly colloquial, very like informal, I suggest you to not omit this 은, 한국은, and then you start speaking about this that you just mentioned here. 한국은 겨울이 추워요. Uh, hey people, I'm gonna talk about Korea in the remaining sentence. Here, 겨울이 추워요. The winter is cold. Yeah. Now, 엄마는 hey people, I'm gonna talk about 엄마, yeah, here in this portion, in the following section. 머리가 길어요. Look at 머리가, yeah, the hair is long. To speak of mom, my mom, hair is long. 엄마는 머리가 길어요. These are very, very commonly used sentence structure. Yeah. So blah blah는, blah blah는, yeah, excuse me, blah blah는, blah blah 이가, yeah, blah 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 요, yeah. This is like a very common Korean sentence structure. So 미나는, case of Mina, yeah, we're gonna talk about Mina, yeah, here. 목소리가, subject marker, 목소리가 좋아요. Her voice is good, yeah. Her voice is good. So Mina has a good voice. Let's look at more example sentences here. 은는, again, it has to do with the case presenting. Yeah. 저는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. I'm not going to school today. 저는 오늘은 학교에 안 가요. See, 오늘 is time information. 오늘, today. Yeah. Time, which is adverb. After adverb, the fact 은는 comes, you can say this is contrasting or isolation. Yeah, 오늘은 학교에 안 가요. What it means, not today, not today. So it implies not today. I don't go to school today, but other days I go to school. Yeah, not today. I don't go to school. Not today. Case isolation. 저는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Same thing. Yeah. 저는 오늘 학교에 I don't go to school today. B is asking. 학교에 안 가면 면 is if. If you don't go to school, 학교에 안 가면 지금 right now 어디에 가요? Where are you going? Yeah. 지금 어디에 가요? 학교에는 안 가요. Yeah? 학교에는 안 가. 근데 there could be like many other places where this person can go. Yeah, it could be this all these options open. Yeah, uh, know that fact. 오늘 학교에는 again 학교 is school, 에 is place marker, 은는 so 학교에 is place. Yeah, place, which is adverb. Yeah, and then 는 is attached, so you can we can tell this is contrasting or isolation. Yeah, either contrasting or isolation. 학교에는 안 가지만 지만 is but. Yeah, 안 가지만 conference에 가요. Now, why we're not using conference에는, you can if your intention is like clear contrasting a case A and case B. Yeah, but these occasion, it's not that. Uh, it's like you 학교에는 안 가지만 요건 case isolation. I don't go to school, yeah, today, but I go here. Simply like a general statement. Yeah, not the purpose is not contrasting like these two places. Yeah. Uh, this might be too a little too difficult or confusing. So if you have intention, clear intention to contrast these two pieces information, you can use 는. Yeah, conference는 가요, but it's recommended like uh, without in this occasion. 좋아요. Let's move. 은는 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 미나는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Mina doesn't go to school today. Yeah. Without any other given information, this should be like falls into the category one. Yeah. The general fact. Mina goes to school today. General fact. Piece of information. The whole sentence. If there's a contrasting case, 제니는 학교에 가요. 미나는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. There's case A and case B like exist, then you could tell it contrasting. Yeah. If you use voice tone, 미나는 and pause. Yeah. 미나는 오늘 학교에 가요. And the surrounding like context, like there are other people exist. 미나는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Uh, so it could case isolation. Yeah, isolation. Case isolation has two layers. Yeah, I don't know about others, but Mina's case, Mina's not going to school, or I don't know about other kids, but when you know what others gonna do, you, but you don't want to mention about others. You only want to talk about Mina's case. Then you use 미나는. Yeah, case isolation. Let's look at 이가, 이가. 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Mina's not going to school. So 미나는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Yeah, 미나는 오늘 학교에 안 가요. 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가요. What's the difference? Uh, in English, there's no marker, so it's translated the same. So that's why you feel confused. But if you understand what 은는 does, yeah, this is case, yeah, all this possibility. 이가, it's like subject highlighter. 미나가 subject highlighter. And do you remember the other function? The conditional clause. So even though uh, so 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가요. 그래서 that's why. Yeah. 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가서 because Mina doesn't go to school. Yeah. Subject highlighter. 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Mina gets highlighted. Yeah. But most likely, like here, this is the case that I feel more often. Yeah. So to be able to see this sentence as number one, we need to have some like situation going on. Uh-huh. Like who's not going to school today? 미나가 오늘 학교에 안 가요. Again, 이가 marker is used to answer who question. Yeah, who question. If somebody asked like who's not going to school, then you can answer 미나가 학교에 안 가요. Yeah. Now, 이가 marker is used the condition to indicate the subject in a conditional clause. 미나가 학교에 안 가요. 그래서 so, yeah. there could be some relevant related information follows. So we need to call the school, yeah, to let the school know. So we don't know. There could be all sorts of information related to this conditional clause follows. And because of this, yeah, um, Korean dramas and real conversation, you will get to hear a lot. 이가, 이가. Why? Because they're gonna talk about more of this, yeah, more. As a native speaker, whenever I hear 이가 marker, it sounds like somebody asked something before this sentence, given sentence, or somebody will talk about more related information on this sentence. I always like have that strong feeling whenever I hear 이가 marker. Okay. More example sentences. 은는 뭐 먹을래요? What would you like to eat? What do you want to eat? 을래 is like desire. Yeah. What do you desire to eat? 저는 비빔밥 먹을래요. 저는 I don't know about you. I'm presenting my case. Yeah, 저는 for me, I want to eat bibimbap. 저는 비빔밥이요. Now let's look at this sentence. Yeah. Korean language is highly contextual language. 저는 if you only see 은는 as a subject marker somehow, yeah, in the beginning level, you will feel so confused because 저는 I 비빔밥이요. I 비빔밥? Am I 비빔밥? No. 비빔밥. No. 저는 case presenter예요. Case presenter. Yeah. My case. I'm talking about my case. My case. 비빔밥이요. That's what I'm deciding to get. There's a lot of unexpressed portion. For me, uh, I'm gonna order bibimbap. Yeah. What I want is bibimbap. For me, case. 은는 is case. Let's look at this one. 피터가 누구야? Notice 가. So, what does 가? Who is Peter? Yeah, in English, you would use voice emphasis, voice tone. Who's Peter? 피터가 누구야? 피터는 제 친구예요. Again, to answer 이가 question, you usually answer with 은는 to give the whole sentence as a piece of truth, general fact. 피터는 제 친구예요. 미나가 요리사예요. Is Mina a chef? You did you detect the voice emphasis? Is Mina a chef? 아니요, 미나는 의사예요. 미나는 의사예요. Mina is a doctor. The whole sentence presented as a fact. Yeah. 미나는 의사예요. 제니가 요리사예요. Look at this one. 제니가 제 Jenny Jenny is chef. The information correction function이죠. 제니가 요리사예요. Yeah. Now here in this question, 미나는 요리사예요. You can use 은는. Yeah. Cause case. Yeah. Case. 미나는 요리사예요. 미나가 요리사예요. Is Mina a chef? Is Mina a chef? Is Mina a chef? A little slight different nuance예요. But both can be used. 는 저스틴 씨가 매니저예요? 저스틴 씨가 Is Justin the manager? No, 아니요. 제임스 씨가 매니저예요. No, James is the manager. 저스틴 씨는 사장님이에요. Now, this one, the whole sentence is a piece of information fact. So, Justin is CEO, 사장님. 저스틴 씨가 사장님이에요. English speaker tend to say this after saying this conversation, but it's unnatural. Yeah, to say the fact. Yeah, fact. 저스틴 씨는 is better. 저스틴 씨는 사장님이에요. Okay, let's say here, Justin is not manager. James is manager, right? So let's say somebody asked, 제임스 씨가 매니저예요? 매니저? 그러면 yes, James is the manager 하면 네, 제임스 씨가 매니저예요. Yeah, because James is important. 제임스 씨가 매니저예요. Okay. 아기는 귀여워요. Notice this 은는. Yeah. 아기는 귀여워요. Because there's no like, no way to tell voice emphasis or contrasting information, the surrounding background. There's nothing presented. So, the first thing, 아기는 귀여워요 as the general fact. Yeah. All babies are cute. 귀여워요. Yeah. All babies are cute. 아기가 귀여워요. 그럼 this 아기 is highlighted. 아기가 귀여워요. Like your baby or particular baby, like this baby or that baby, particular 아기가 your baby 귀여워요. 아기가 귀여워요. Your baby. Because we do not mention your, we often omit. That's why 아기가 귀여워요. Yeah. So 김치는 매워요. Let's say there's an example sentence. 김치는 매워요. 그러면 all kimchi is spicy. That's the speaker's belief. A speaker believe that this is the fact. 그런데 오 김치가 매워요. or 김치가 안 매워요. Oh, this kimchi is not spicy. 김치가 안 매워요. 어? or 김치가 매워요. This kimchi is spicy. 어? So 이가 highlights particular case. More sentences. 은는 김치는 매워요. We just looked. Yeah. All kimchis are spicy. 김치가 매워요. 김치가 매워요. This particular kimchi is spicy. 학생은 학교에 가요. 학생은 학교에 가요. Uh, fact. All students go to school. 학생이 학교에 가요. To describe there's a student. Oh, you see a student going to school. Yeah, this particular student. 학생이 학교에 가요. Yeah, or like I mentioned, uh, as a native speaker, always whenever I see 이가, I feel like somebody asked a question here, like who is going to school, like who goes to school? Question. Yeah. Scenario 1. Or 학생이 학교에 가요. Scenario 2. 그래서 that's why and whole bunch of like uh, different possibilities of information related to this follows. Yeah. 그래서 blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay. 한국 음식은 맛있어요. That means yeah, Korean foods are delicious. because no given contrasting information, we just I see it as like one clean cut of a piece of information, fact. Korean foods are delicious. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. Again, 이 맛있어요 makes it like maybe conditional clause. 요새, these days. So I get to visit Korean restaurant often, or I want to learn how to make Korean food, like all sorts of possibility. Yeah, 이. So we kind of see it as conditional clause, sub clause, to say something more about it. Okay. 그다음 는 미나는 가방을 샀어요. 미나 bought a bag. 미나가 가방을 샀어요. 미나가 가방을 샀어요. So when I see 미나는 가방을 샀어요. Of course, if there's contrasting information, 은는 can be seen as contrasting or isolation depends on the voice emphasis. 미나는 가방을 샀어요. But there's no given information. So safely, the 미나는 가방을 샀어요. The whole sentence, yeah, sentence as a piece of information, fact. So 은는 case, 미나's case, case of 미나, the 가방을 샀어요. Information. 미나가 가방을 샀어요는 미나, either 미나가 가방을 샀어요. Maybe somebody asked who bought a bag. 미나가 가방을 샀어요. Scenario 1. Or if somebody didn't ask this question, 미나가 가방을 샀어요. And then 그래서 뭐 그런데 like blah 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 blah. More information related to it follows. Yeah? 미나가 가방을 샀어요. Okay. 옛날에 once upon a time 한 아이가 살았어요. 그러면 as you already know, there's this 가 marker. 그럼 한 아이 gets highlighted. There's one child who lived a long, long time ago. This 한 아이 gets highlight. Yeah? 그 아이는 책을 아주 좋아했어요. Yeah? 그 아이는 책을 아주 좋아했어요. This is a fact. 그 아이는 책을 아주 좋아했어요. Yeah? 그 아이는 책을 아주 좋아했어. This one safely you can see it as a subject marker, but you can see it as like a case presenter or topic marker. Many people like say this 는 with a different name. That's why as a learner you might feel very confused. But like if you understand the concept of 은는 and 이가, then you will have better picture. Yeah. So 은는 미나는 컵을 깼어요. Cup is cup. Yeah, cup. 깼어요. Broke. 미나는 컵을 깼어요. Broke. 미나 broke a cup. 미나는 컵을 깼어요. The whole sentence as a piece of fact. 미나 broke a cup. 미나가 컵을 깼어요. 여기 가 있죠, 이가. It looks like somebody asked who broke the cup. 미나가, 미나, pointing 미나가 컵을 깼어요. Or if somebody didn't ask who question, it looks like a part of a subclause. 미나가 컵을 깼어요. 그래서 she has to clean. Or 미나가 컵을 깼어요. So she cried. Whole bunch of related information might follow after this. Yeah. 가 makes a subclause subject here. 은는 이 집은 위치가 좋아요. Which is location. 위치가 좋아요. So when there's 은는 and when there's 이가, when there's 이가, yeah, it's you try to see this one as a topic marker, like any textbook introduces. But they say it's topic, but it has to do with the case presenting. Yeah, I'm repeating infinitely here. 이 집은 to speak about this house in this following sentence. 하고 위치가 좋아요. 위치가 좋아요. Which is location. The location is good. To speak of this house, the location is good. So this house has a good location. It is translated that way. Yeah. But Korean people, they like to say blah blah 는, yeah. blah blah 이가 blah 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 요. This is very like in a popular sentence structure. Yeah. 이 집은 위치는 좋아요. Yeah, 위치는 좋아요. Now, let's look at the nature of which location. The word location, 위치, and 좋다, good. Do you think like the nature of location can be good? It's the nature of location can be good or bad or convenient or inconvenient. Yeah, it's hard to define as one. So 위치는 좋아요. 위치는 좋아요. Let's continue reading. 그런데, but then, 가격은, 가격은 너무 비싸네요. Now, 네, the function of 네 insert is the speaker's emotion at the time of speaking이에요. It's very like, sometimes it can be replaced with exclamation mark, sometimes not. But 네 highlights the emotion of the speaker at the time of speaking. Yeah. Okay. Now let's look at the nature of 가격. 가격 is price. The price is the price. The nature of price is expensive. No, it can be expensive. It can be cheap. Yeah. The price cannot be defined as one nature of being expensive. Yeah. So here 가격은 contrasting isolation, not a general fact. Besides, 이 집은 위치는 좋아요. This house has good location. But then 가격은 너무 비싸네요. But then the price is too expensive. Clearly contrasting. 은는. Yeah. 이 집은 이 집은 for this 은는 you can see it as a case presenting or like subject or topic. It's up to you. Whatever you want to call it. 이 집은 the sentence starts with 은는 이 집은 위치는 좋아요. 그런데 가격이 너무 비싸네요. You can say this. For like this sentence and this sentence they are like exactly same except this marker. Yeah, doesn't matter. uh the fact that you use un here, you're like you're using contrasting. The fact that you are using 이 가격이 너무 비싸네요, you are highlighting 가격. Oh, the price is so high. 가격이. So with this little marker, 는 or 이가, the speaker is showing what uh, he or she's intending to say, the intention. Yeah. 이가 highlighting the 가격, the price. Yeah. 가격은 It's like the function of 은 is contrasting function. Yeah. Case A, 아이고. Case A, case B, contrasting function.